Hi everyone, Rob here from Helm of Awesome Windows. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on my first pressure washing job. So I have an absolutely beautiful setting for my first pressure washing job. It's a summer lake, an individually built property designed by the person who owns it. It's got 100 square meters of composite decking. So that's what I'm going to be pressure washing today. I've had a few tips. So I'm going to be talking you through my setup and talking you through the tips that I've been given, and hopefully you'll see a big difference in the job.
So this is the property. As you can see, there's two levels, decking all the way around the bottom and a huge decking section along the top, all overlooking the lake. Beautiful property. This is the decking at the lower level. As you can see, it's quite grubby. The weather has started to take its toll, and obviously all the algae coming across from the lake started to make the decking go a little bit green in certain places. As you get further around, closer to the lake, you can see it's extremely green around here. Here's my machine. It's a Honda GX390, 15 litres per minute. It draws water from a water butt. So I've set my water butt up, put it in the corner, put my screw cap on the tap so I could connect my hose, and then attach the hose, put it in the bucket and start it to fill. Next, making sure that the pressure washer has plenty of fuel. So I'm using my little funnel just to make sure I don't get it everywhere. And I put my suction hose into the water butt, which is almost full now. I connect my high pressure hose to the pressure washer. Connect my trigger to the high pressure hose. And then the lance into the trigger. And then last but not least, my nozzle, which is a wide fan nozzle. Then it's time to start her up, get the bad boy running. And now the work can begin. So I'm using a wide fan nozzle. Apparently this is very good for composite decking because it's not too obtrusive. It's not going to leave any etch marks. As you can see, it's really green. So the wide fan nozzle is doing brilliant, getting all the algae off the top of this decking. I'm trying to go over the edges to make sure I don't miss everything as well. That's a start. It's a massive difference already. So I decided to put my flat surface cleaner on, put it on a really low pressure, and this really helped to speed up the job massively. Then finished off with a really good rinse down. Just look at that difference already. So it's still drying out, but I went around all the edges with the wide fan nozzle. Then I started to go over the main section with the flat surface cleaner. Top is pretty dry. This was the lower decking. This was the one that I showed you right at the beginning, which was really, really green. And as we go around the corner now, you can see it's all been lifted off. It makes it look massively different. And then when we get towards the end, overlooking the lake, nice fresh looking decking.
So there we have it, guys. My first pressure washing job complete. Learned a few things. One was make sure you always have a connector for the tap for you to put your hose pipe on. Didn't have one, so managed to get one, thankfully. Another thing was when I put my hose from my pressure washer into my water butt, it didn't stay down, so I need to get some form of weight on there to be able to weigh that down a little bit. So that's another thing that I need to remember. If you ever get the opportunity to use the flat surface cleaner, then 100% use it, because it makes everything a lot faster. This was a nice easy job, to be fair. There wasn't any chemicals needed. There wasn't really any stains. It was just a lot of algae and moldy kind of growth from where it's next to the lake. So it was a nice straightforward job to start with. And I'm pleased. I'm pleased with the outcome, and the customer's pleased. So all good. And onward and upwards. I've got a few more jobs booked in where I'll be using some chemicals. I'm going to be using nuclear from Pure Seal, and I've got some where I'm going to be using Max Clean Pro and some other things like that, all from Pure Seal. So lots of chemicals, lots of different styles of stone and patio and driveways and things that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to do some more videos, and hopefully get better and get more knowledge. And if you've guys got any tips or any questions that you want to ask me about, then please feel free to just drop me a message. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.